Hey everyone, quick question. Have you ever sat in a perfectly quiet room, but your ears just won't let you enjoy the silence? That high-pitched ringing, the buzzing, the constant mental noise? I know how frustrating it is, and if you've been dealing with that, this video is exactly what you need to see. Because I've found something that actually helps. It's called Neuro Quiet, and it's one of the most effective natural solutions I've come across for supporting healthy hearing and silencing that inner noise. But here's what makes Neuro Quiet stand out from the rest. It's not a pill, a powder, or some weird ear device. It's a fast-absorbing oral spray. Super easy to use, and it works from the inside out. And yes, it's natural, research-backed, and designed specifically to help you feel calm, clear, and quiet again. Here's how you use it. Shake the bottle well, and then spray it under your tongue. You'll take 2 full sprays in the morning and then 4 full sprays before bedtime. After spraying, hold it under your tongue for 20 seconds, then swallow. That's it. And here's a pro tip for the best results. Don't eat or drink anything 30 minutes before or after taking NeuroQuiet. That way, your body can absorb it fully and get every bit of benefit from those powerful ingredients. Now, let me tell you, this isn't just about your ears. NeuroQuiet is packed with incredible natural compounds like alpha-GPC to fuel brain performance, GABA to relax your mind, L-dopamine to calm the ringing, and L-arginine to boost circulation, which is crucial for healthy ears and clear hearing. Within just a few weeks, I noticed a huge difference. The ringing faded. My mind felt quieter. I started sleeping better. And for the first time in years, I could finally enjoy the silence again. But listen, this part is really important. Do not buy NeuroQuiet from Amazon, eBay, or any third-party sites. There are fakes out there. The only place to get the real NeuroQuiet is through the official website, and I've added the link right below this video. Right now, you can grab a bottle for just $179, and you'll get 3 free digital bonuses too, including a guide on sharpening your memory and some powerful natural tea remedies. And the best part? There's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you've got absolutely nothing to lose. Most people go for the 6-bottle bundle because it includes free shipping and gives your body enough time to fully reset and support long-term hearing clarity. So here's your moment. If you're tired of the noise, if you're ready to take your peace and clarity back, go ahead and click the link below. Try NeuroQuiet today. 2 sprays in the morning, 4 at night, and a whole new world of quiet and calm could be just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the quieter side. Take care.